What's up? Good morning. Welcome to Overflow Nexus, the channel of faith, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on the financial markets. And I appreciate you guys for being here with me this morning. God bless you all. And I hope you are enjoying that burrito, Justin. I was reading the comments and I said, you need your breakfast burrito. I said, man, I need a breakfast burrito right now myself. So I hope you enjoyed that burrito, man. Thank y'all once again for being on here. I love doing this. I love giving y'all some morning education on the market or analysis on the market. As y'all know, we took some trades last night. Some of them went pretty well. Actually, I think all of them went pretty well. I'm going to check them all. I'm looking at XRP chart right now. It's actually going right now. So I just posted the chart in the Discord group. So if you're in the Discord group, definitely check it out. What's up, Trent? How we doing? What's up, Julio? Good morning to you too, bro. How you doing? So yeah, I appreciate you guys once again for being on here. Yeah, man, I woke up at 3 a.m. this morning. I read some Bible. I ate a little bit. Then I went right back to sleep. Now I'm back up again. So after I finish this live stream, I'm going to work out. I'm really trying to focus on my fitness this year, harder this year, because I want to accomplish some things. Some of y'all know that I already do some gymnastic type of training. I want to master the handstand before summertime or get better at it. I want to get better at doing the Olympic rings as well. So I'm going to be working out after this live stream. So I'm getting my mind mentally prepared for that, for those that know how working out goes. Also, if you are new to this channel, you guys, and you like what you see in here, feel compelled to smash that like button and subscribe. Everybody knows this is a God-fearing channel and God comes first. So I always have to acknowledge my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, before we get into any type of technical analysis. That's the best way to do it. Acknowledge him in all thy ways and he shall direct thy path. So I hope the Lord directs me on the charts today. He opens my eyes to see what I need to see so we could get some good trades today or see some opportunities today. Let me see what's going on. Trent, you said happy with my Tezo gains. Yeah, post your results, man, in the Discord. I want to see what you're doing with it. That's awesome. I'm glad you hopped in on the trade with me, man, last night. See, I tell people if you get on my live streams, you're going to make money, or you'll lose money too if the trade don't go right. But most of the time, you'll be making money, so it's all good. I'm just trying to see this chart right now, trying to figure out what's going on with it. But I'm happy you took you had the courage to take the trade, because you've never taken a trade with me before, but on your first trade with me, you made money. So I'm happy about that. I am happy about that. Ooh, and I need to drink some coconut water, you guys, because my mouth is dry this morning. I probably should save this for the workout, but it's fine. I got water. But anyway, hope you guys are enjoying, so far what y'all been seeing on the channel. I'm going to go ahead and hop into the charts, see what we got here. This is XRP from last night. So it's actually triggered. Let me actually zoom in a little bit. So it triggered the trade right here. This green line is our entry point, and our stop loss is here. So I'm pretty sure if we got in here, I'm pretty sure it knocked us out. But if you had re-entered, then you would have got in right here and you would have been in profit. So I'm not sure. I need to check my trade and see if it's still going for XRP, because XRP likes to spike a lot. So you can never really tell how far the spike's going to be or if it's going to spike at all. But if we had got in the trade right here, you should be fine. About in this area, you should be fine. So the trade is going well. I still have this going up to, let's see, at least this zone here. If we could manage to get past this cloud, I do think we'll get back into this zone. It doesn't really matter how thick this cloud is. You saw how thick this one is back here, and it still managed to, it still broke through a little bit, but then it fell. But right now it's starting to trend up. So we'll see what happens in here. I do think we'll get back into this green zone. That'll be between 85 cents and 86 cents level. So between this whole range here, I think we'll get it here. The first target for this one will be at 86 cents 381. That's the first target that I'm really looking at for XRP. I do think XRP will hit that. I think the price right now is going up higher. I do like it. We have a golden cross here. The cloud is starting to make that round shape. So this is a good sign for XRP going up higher right now. Whenever you make that round shape with the cloud, it's a pretty good sign that it has a good chance of reversing back to the upside. And then we have that golden cross, as I mentioned before. So yeah, I do think that this market is going to head up. Especially after looking at it from last night, we had some divergence here. We had some hidden bullish divergence at that. And as you see on the CVO, you see that there's buyers coming into the market. So demand is increasing here. And you see right here that the demand is increasing for XRP. So that's a good sign for the price currently. I do think it will go higher, like I was thinking, maybe around here. And then once we get to this zone, I'll see how the market responds. Maybe we will take a hit here and fall lower, or maybe we'll break through and come to our next target, which will be at 88 cents and 87.2. So I'm looking at that. I think we'll be able to do it. RCI is getting bullish. We see that the RCI is showing us that the market is starting to get bullish as well. The 26 RCI is above 0, so that's a good sign. And then the 52 period is trying to break out of the negative 80, so that's also a good sign as well for a move higher. And then we got a crossover of the two right here, suggesting that the trend will change right in this area. So if we see the market did start its trend change to here, and we see the market's going up higher at this current moment. So I am liking that. So I do think the market will go higher. It's just a matter of time seeing what's going to happen here. Next, I want to check out Bitcoin, see what's going on with the Bitcoin. Let's see. Bitcoin's also going up as well. I did get, actually, you know, it's funny. I did do an analysis on Bitcoin yesterday, at yesterday's night's live stream. I had different thoughts on Bitcoin as well, because I was saying that if Bitcoin doesn't hold here, it's going to fall. And it held there pretty good. So Bitcoin's pretty good right now. So let me actually take Ichimoku out because I can't read it. It's telling us there's nothing here for it on Ichimoku. So reading it on bear charts, naked charts, we see that there was some divergence here as well on the 4-hour time frame. Bam, and you saw the demand increase. You see that we remained flat here while the CVO was moving up higher. So this was a good sign that buyers were entering the market. As you see, demand is increasing for Bitcoin. Will it go? The target that I have for now will be 49,157. That's my target for now, because I don't really think Bitcoin is going to. I don't want to say it won't, but I don't think it's going to get above 51K for now. We're still stuck in this tight range. We had a drop here from, let's see, what price was this? From 59,185. So we had that drop here all the way down to 41,714. So now the market's, you know, steadily coming back in. And I think what's going to happen here, we're going to have a big distribution phase where all the buyers and sellers are fighting it out in here. And then eventually the market will drop again. I don't think that the market is going to, you know, hold for long. I do think it'll hit here, and then we'll see another drop to the downside. Just for now. Overall, let's see on the daily time frame. Look at it with Ichimoku. We're still bearish underneath the cloud. There's still a lot of sellers in this market on CVO. Even though buyers did take some control for a while. I assume this was people cashing out and people getting in the market to buy cheaper down here to see if it will push up higher, but you see it failed here, made a resistance at this fractal zone. So right about here, that fractal zone is between 52,000 and 51,000. No, 50,000. So 52,000 to 50,000. So that's our zone there. I do see that market is trying to push higher currently, especially because we're at this level of support right in here. So I am seeing that. The only thing is the market's flat, and we don't have any momentum for the market. And also RCI is also suggesting that the market's still overall bearish as well for Bitcoin. So we'll see what happens here on the higher time frame. So what's y'all's thoughts on Bitcoin? What's y'all's thoughts on the overall market as well? You know, I like to hear y'all's thoughts on the market, so feel free to share what you think the market is going to do personally. Personally, I think the market is due for another drop. I do think the market will take another hit. The market has been, it had its moment, but I think the NFTs are taking over right now. And we'll see how the market starts to act this year and towards the summertime, or Q2 to be exact. What's up, Anthony? How we doing, man? Glad to have you on here this morning. God bless you, brother. So yeah, that's what I think so far. I think we'll take another hit. I think it'll be a tougher hit this time, but we'll see. We shall see. Trent says he's not sure. Honestly, man. Okay. Anthony says he thinks it'll drop again before it makes a decent pop to the upside. Okay. Okay. Oh, hey, Monique, how you doing? Glad to have you on. You said you also think it's going to drop? Okay, I was looking at your name. I was like, "What? Whose name is that?" And then you said it's Monique. I don't even know how to say that name right there. So that's your YouTube name, I see. Cool. So let me go to Tezos. So this was a trade that I called last night. Let me see. Julio says he thinks it's going to 42K before it goes up. I think so too. I think it actually might fall a little deeper than that. Just me personally. But we'll see. We don't know always. The market does what it wants at the end of the day. So we'll see. So this was the Tezos trade from last night. This was our entry from last night. So we're up quite a bit. We already hit 2 targets, and we're already moving up higher. So we'll see if we could hit our 3rd and 4th target up here using the N-wave structure. Let me show y'all that N-wave structure real quick. Boom, boom. And this was our target point right there. So we already hit our real target. Once you hit that N-wave target, you could take profits. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to move stop loss up to here. So stop loss will now be up here. So if it closes out, it'll be closed in profit. So that's a good sign right there. So we had a good run right there. How much percent was this move? At the highest peak was 11%. Now it's at 10%. So that's not a bad move. We did pretty good last night. We did pretty good last night. Anthony says the fear and greed index is in the extreme fear. Last I checked, and he said, so things also have a chance to do the opposite. Yeah, it has a chance to do the opposite for sure. That's why I don't want to jump the gun yet. I just want to watch and see how the market's going to perform, because a lot of the times when we think the market's going to do something, it does the opposite. And it's maybe because there's X factors that we're not considering, or there might be something that has changed in the market and in people's minds as well. Let me see. But yeah, I do think the market is going to drop. If it drops hard, I think it's just going to be a sudden drop. And it's going to, scare a lot of people, and then, they're going to move. We really don't know, but we'll see. I've been saying that cryptos won't pop off until 2024. So I got 2 more years to be right. So, like I said, like those that watch my streams, like I always talk about this stuff, but I'm not gonna go into too much detail because they might censor my video again. But I'll say this: I think that that 2024 theory may happen. It may happen. We got 2 more years to see. So if crypto crashes for the rest of this year, oh yeah, then that 2024 price prediction is definitely going to be hidden. But we'll see. I could be wrong. I could definitely be wrong. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna do a bonus one. I'm gonna look at Solana because I was looking at Solana. It hit my stop loss, and I was trying to figure out what happened here because I was originally up here for my trade. It was in profit, and then out of nowhere, it just boom, just dropped. I said, "What happened?" So I realized what happened here. This is a learning moment for me as well. I lost this trade, as y'all see it. So it was in profit though. I should have taken something while I was while I had the chance. But what ended up happening? This cloud resistance was strong. Not only did I have cloud resistance, I also had key June resistance, and it rejected hard here. And then you had this nasty drop, bearish engulfing candle that took me out right here. So I was not happy about this loss, but it is what it is. You can't win all of them. And then the market just came down. But now it's coming back up. So let me see where this is going now. So I have to start this fresh and see where the market is now heading. This is the bonus one for you guys. Let's see. So we had, no, I'll count that as an order block. So we are now bouncing off of this area. Let's see. CVO is also showing that accumulations coming in. So there's demand coming into the market. We're about to have a golden cross, and then also this cloud is pretty thin, so I'm expecting the market to get broken through right here. The cloud is starting to roll over as well, so I think this will also show that the market is going to have buyers take over this spot from now on. Probably until right here. We'll see how the market truly responds about, yeah, right in here. So we'll see how the market responds when we get up here. We have an order block area as well. So we'll see how it responds. I do think we'll get through here. I just don't know about this green zone right here. So that's the structure that I'm seeing. Yeah, we looked at H-bar. Yeah, I'll look at H-bar for sure, Anthony. We looked at H-bar last night, I believe. So I'll look at it right now after this one for you. And Julio said it depends on the wells and institutions. That's also very true. That's very true. Let's see. Mr. Q, you said, what's the dominance looking? Can alts survive the BTC drop? I do think alts will survive the BTC drop. And let me see. What's that website? Hold on a second. There's this website that I usually go to. I think it's Coin360. Let me see. I don't remember. Coin360, I believe. Let me check real quick. Yeah, it's Coin360. So right now, Bitcoin dominance is at 40%. You see the market's pretty green today, so that's not bad. But yeah, Bitcoin dominance is 40%, so that's pretty bad. So that's showing that the market for Bitcoin, I don't know where this dominance is going though. I think it's being distributed all throughout the whole crypto space, but I can't tell yet because I don't understand this dominance stuff. It don't make any sense, honestly. Right now, this is my bias. We're gonna come up here. But yeah, we'll look into that. We'll have to look into that. Okay, let me look at H bar. It's not on my main list, so let me go here. So this was H bar. This was our trade from last night, and we're pretty good right now. So yeah, this was our trade from last night. So yeah, I do think H bar is gonna move up, Anthony. I think it's gonna move up to here. I'm trying to remember how I got that target. Was it the daily time frame? I think it was the daily chart that I got the target. Let me see. Yeah, it was the daily time frame that I got this target. And I was saying it'll fall a little short, so I'll put it like right there. So yeah, I do think H bar will get up here. That'll take us to the price of, if it does manage to get up here, I'm thinking 39 cents. So that's what I'm thinking right here. And we also got our golden cross as well, so I'm still bullish on this. And there's a lot, this demand is decreasing here, but it's still, but we're still showing a lot of strength regardless of, you know, the buyers leaving the market, the demand decreasing here. So I am noticing that. What's good, Mike J? How we doing? Okay, Anthony said that's one of your main focuses this year. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, that's a good one. It's a good one. I do think it's gonna get up here though. And we also have this resistance right here as well. Boom. Let's see. Let me go back to the charts. So let me take a look at gold. Gold has hit that resistance point. Let me see. So I was saying short gold. Oh man, it hit the stop loss already. So I'm at this. So right here it triggered me in, knocked me out right here. So I'm gonna relook to re-enter here. I still think gold's gonna fall. I think I was looking at gold on the last live stream as well, and I do think gold is going to fall. We do have some bearish divergence as well. Only thing is we don't have another signal, but I still think we're gonna fall down here on gold. So I'm gonna look for a re-entry on gold and see when I could get back in here, because I do think this market is going to fall. Let's see. Oh, that's funny. We had some bullish divergence right here. So that means we might get our rejection at this point and see the market drop. I'm still bearish here, so let me change my approach. Move the stop loss a little bit higher. Move this entry right here. So now this is going to be my new trade setup. Let's move that a little bit higher. All right, right there. Yeah, I still think this is gonna fall. If it doesn't fall all the way down here, I have this other zone that I think it'll fall into. I think it'll do something like this, fall, retest, maybe fall like halfway, come like this, get into something like that. That's what I'm seeing for gold. I do think gold will fall. We do have some bearish divergence on it still, so that's why I'm still bearish on it until then. And also we are underneath the cloud on the 1 hour. 15 we're breaking it, but I don't really care about the 15. The 15 is not that, not the overall biased. And 4 hour we are bullish as well, but I'm still going based off that divergence that I'm seeing on this drop. Now it is holding this trend line here, so I need to be cautious of that, but we're about to get a death cross as well. If I take the candles